There's a newly coffee here, newly open. Very nice. So, I think it's Coliseum lang. So it's very nice here. Wow. Very nice. Maybe at night they have a. So where is the Coliseum? I think there was a Coliseum. It's very nice. Wow. So if you want flower instead of the flowers, so they have a table here. So wow, it's very nice, huh? Nice. With flowers, but it is real plants. You don't have a contact number for that guy?
I think it's that quick, but there's like 3 tables that have reserved.
Oh, okay.
This size, this type.
Yeah, I see.
So,
I see. This is it. This is a whole area. Wow, very nice. Wow, it's nice. So they're having a new food also. It's not really a coffee, but they have food for breakfast there. Wow. Whole area.
at nighttime they have acoustic band.
Really?
Yeah. So it's right here. I
Oh,
see it
that
on the
is
Facebook.
nice. Oh, there's real flowers. Oh, it's not real.
They have kind of like that same design as Lala.
Yeah, so actually, yeah. So we are here in our cafe. Did you see that, guys? And it's the same design. We have all like the sign of Lala Cafe. So we will be going there on the side. So go ahead, pick me. Oh wow! So we're going downstairs here, and they have a playground because they have acoustic band every night. Here, this is the place that they have acoustic bands. Ooh, wow! It's like a Lala Cafe. So this is it. Did you see that, guys? Wow!
Pretty cool.
Yeah, it's like a Lala Cafe. So that is the stairs. But it off limit there. I see the sign there.
Look like the second floor.
It's not open.
But you can sit there.
Yeah, it's the
Stand over it and sit.
yeah. So
Maybe later. They just don't want.
yeah, maybe they don't want.
Because there's plenty of room.
There's a plenty of room. Yeah. So that's one. Very nice. Wow. tongs. So this is their pastry. Banana cinnamon, and then ham and cheese, cream bun. Yeah, dupka. So this is their food. Cakes. Oh, born cheesecake. Wow. Blueberry cheesecake. Guys, carrot cake. This is my, I want carrot. Sans rebel. And in the brownies, oh, lots of chocolates. Oh. Hello, good morning. Parang sarap kumain. And then this is their meal. Very nice, really. So that is their counter. So yes. And this is it. Pancit.